Subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon to get notified for the latest tech videos.
Hey, what's up YouTube? This is Vasi here, and in this video I am going to show you 3 different ways in which you can solve the problem, that is, there have been too many failed connection attempts. Give it some time and try again later on your PlayStation 4 or on your PlayStation 5. So let's begin the video. I encountered this issue when my younger brother tried to redeem a wrong gift card code multiple times, and then I got this error message which I am showing you on the screen right now. So after that, when I tried to redeem a correct gift card code, it would not allow me. I waited for 1 day, 2 days and even up to 3 days, but this problem was not solved. I looked at different videos on YouTube and articles, but none of them worked for me. So that's why I am making this video where I am going to show you 3 possible solutions that can help you if you're facing this issue when you get this too many connection attempts when redeeming gift cards on your PlayStation store. The last solution worked for me, so make sure you watch this video till the very end. Let's move towards solution number 1. So the first way is that on your PlayStation you're going to go to the top, click on settings. From here you're going to click on system, software update, and then you're going to click on system, software update and settings. So you're going to check if any software update is available. If any update is available, update your PlayStation and restart it. So it should solve the problem. If this is not working, you're going to go back, and now you're going to click on users and accounts. From here click on others, click on restore licenses, and from here you're going to select all of your games and then click on restore. So it will take some time to restore your licenses. Once it is done, just simply restart your PlayStation and it should work. So the third and final solution that actually worked for me was that I logged in to my PlayStation account using a different device, like from my mobile phone using the PlayStation app or on my laptop using simple browser. So here I am on my laptop, and you're going to open any browser and search for PlayStation. The first website will be from playstation.com. And secondly, make sure that your device is connected to a different Wi-Fi. If you are on mobile, then try to connect with your data connection, and if you are on your laptop, then try to connect with a different Wi-Fi network that is different from your PlayStation, because I don't know, for some reason changing your Wi-Fi connection solves this problem. So you can actually do this on your main PlayStation as well. If you have multiple Wi-Fi connections, try switching to another Wi-Fi connection and then testing out, the problem will be solved. So in my case, I basically opened the PlayStation website on my device which was connected to another Wi-Fi. I signed in to my PlayStation account with the same credentials that I used to sign in on my PlayStation, and after that, when I redeemed the code, it worked for me and the error did not occur again. So that's quite weird, but this solution also works. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like this video, subscribe to my channel and follow me. That's all for today. Thank you for watching, and as always, stay safe.